the assembly of the Schlitz neon sign. The Schlitz neon sign. Now I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it by temporarily connecting the wires and see how it looks. So here, let me have to figure out how it goes. Let me see. Okay. Let's see how it looks when I hook it up to a transformer. This is 12,000. So one of them goes all the way to up there. And the other one goes over here to this one. And now to test it. There it is. Schlitz. Looking good. So this job is done. I just have to call the owner of the sign, which is this one and the little trucks that I made, and hopefully he can come pick it up really soon. I'm gonna take this one back over here so it doesn't break or anything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the following video. Thank you.